Hello guys, today we are going to learn web server to control a light bulb. As you can see this, I've built the Wi-Fi module, everything inside this. This one it need 3.3 volt for it to work. And here for it to get 3.3 volt, we are using 3.3 volt regulator here. So here we give 5 volt here, input 5 volt here, then it give out 3.3 volt so that we can power this Wi-Fi module. If it exceed, at least it should be 3.3 volt to 3.6. If it exceed that voltage, the Wi-Fi module will burn. So to prevent it from burn, that's why we use the 3.3 volt here. So I've built this everything inside here, and here is our relay here. So this is the example of the relay here. This was a 5 volt relay that switches which switch 5, we input 5 voltage here, and then we used to switch the 240 volt so that it can turn on the bulb and off. And here we have this one, we have our 5 volt power source. In this case, this one takes in 240 volt, then it convert the 240 volt to 5 volt DC. So before we can use this Wi-Fi module, we need to program it. For we to program it, we need this. Then we need a USB cable here. So we have to connect everything to this. Then we program it. After we program it, then we can take this one and use it whatever we want to use it for. This one also also have 3 wires here. This one is the positive, the negative, and then the input. So we connect this output to this input, then positive to positive, then negative to negative. Then we take this cable and then we connect it to 240 volt here, so that this 5 volt here will power this relay, and then it will power the Wi-Fi module here again. Test this and see how it works. So let me switch it on. As you can see, the LED is on, indicating that it's on. So this is the Wi-Fi module here. Now let's turn on our Wi-Fi, our phone Wi-Fi. So now I can see the Wi-Fi name on it. There's a password name. So the name is Dankwa Tech Territory, as you can see it. And here the password is Prof Samuel. Now as you can see, the top there is connected but no internet access. So this one serves as what? Hotspot. And then we connect our phone Wi-Fi to that. So all I need is to connect to open any browser and type this IP address 192.168.4.1, then play send. As you can see here, Prof Samuel, welcome to Dankwa Tech Territory. As you can see the contact, everything here. If I press the on, you see that the bulb will on. You see that the bulb is on. You can see that this thing has also turned to orange. If I turn it off, it turns to white, indicating that on, off. Now you see it is on. It's off, on, off. So this one serves as what? Hotspot. As you can see it here. And then it has no internet access. So meaning that we are using this as web server.